Welcome back. Thought I'd make a little video. Sorry it's a mess. I'm working hard. This is now yeah, I did do it with the full battery and a N.R.T brand battery. Nothing. Here. Show you guys the other. Same battery. Nothing. Just clicks. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you want to contact Milwaukee and let them know about this situation and they need to resolve it or look into it, tell them to contact me or tell them to write a comment. And I'll gladly walk them through what's going on with the tools. But as always, guys, thanks for watching.